Are you ready for a hair-raising October filled with wickedly fun hairstyles? Get ready to unleash your inner hairstyling genius because it's time to share your Morrocco Method styling method. 24/7 Styling Dragon Pomade is your powerful potion for potent hold when you need your style to stay in place. From slick back to straight up, our medium to strong hold pomade is perfect for short or more structured hairstyles. The Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel is your secret brew for a supernatural style. Whether you're crafting a witchy do or a vampy look, this light to medium hold gel supports your hair without making it stiff and scary. Morrocco Method's Curl Power is the ultimate love spell for defining, elongating, and strengthening your curls. It's a deeply hydrating conditioning treatment to summon the most enchanting curls. For the spooktacular stylists out there, we've got the Blunt Snip Haircutting Kit. Embrace the lunar magic as you transform into a cosmic stylist. Blunt Snip cut your hair on October's full moon and let the universe inspire your hair. We want you to show us your styling method, with a twist. Whether it's for crazy hair day at school, a Halloween party, or just for the fun of it, share your most creative hair masterpieces. Simply share your method and use the hashtag #MyHairMethod on your bewitching hairstyling photos on Facebook or Instagram, and you will earn 500 rewards points toward your purchase as a treat. Unleash your inner hairstyling wizard and let your hair be part of the fun. Happy styling!